I think 81's my top. I want to go chopping it into. Let's get a bit silly now because I was sort of selling myself off last time. Because that 81.81 and a quarter took a fair whack out of me. But my maths was rubbish, so let's work it out. These two bottoms on here are 25 a go, so 25 plus 25 equals 50. This is a 20, 50 plus 20 is 70. This is a 10, 70 plus 10 is 80. And this is a 2.5, so that's 82.5 new, well, PB, I can't get it, on my Dinnie replica thingamabob. So, I'm going to do a better video later, but for now, my program works, and I haven't even got the best diet in the world, if I'm brutally honest, but it works. If you want to get stronger and you're lower to middleweight area, you're somewhere between the 80 and the 90 and you want to get stronger, Give me a nod. Give me a nod. I don't know what to say. Shocking myself. That worked, and yeah, all right. I mean, but when I pulled them 81s the first time round, when I messed up the plates, it was easy. It was easy, and last week it was the my top whack. So yeah, get on it. Get on it. If you've got if you know enough about if you know your way around the gym and you can follow a written program easily enough, and you're stuck, it's a fiver, and it will get you stronger. So there you go. Strong, keep happy, and keep healthy. There'll be another video up later today, I think. Ta-da.